The EMA 50 generally is presently at $0.001 in a sort of large manner. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar, especially as areas of strength for truly, generally is very huge. SPEL United States dollar sort of is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090 in a very huge manner. Bears control spells all things considered, current cost activities, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. 13 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through by and large spell certainly token cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some things, facts. What is momentary cost expectation for especially spell token, essentially is truly spell a fundamentally wise interest in a for the most part significant manner. Spell essentially token help and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping certainly profound into the spell specialized investigation, truly let us for the most part discuss the especially current economic situations, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, showing how the in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume, essentially remains at $48,913,730,687 in a sort of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 2.19 and at present exchanging at 65 cents, which sort of shows that sort of spell genuinely token help and opposition levels and so forth in an exceptionally large manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending bearing for commonly transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a fundamentally broad, certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that XRP, the really local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 2.19 and presently exchanging at 65 cents, which especially shows that especially spell kind of symbolic help and obstruction levels and so on. Spell extremely token help and opposition backing and obstruction are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more essentially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in an exceptionally enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers sort of become move genuinely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar sort of is major areas of strength for truly, by and large, is genuinely huge. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of in every practical sense, SPEL genuinely token, SPEL, for the most part SPEL especially token execution. The cost of truly spell kind of token, spell, basically is at $0.00086994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, which certainly is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars. So right now, a truly broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 2.19 and at present exchanging at 60 spell pretty symbolic help and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is very huge. There certainly are practically 103,446,920,678 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing that spell United States dollar generally is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell most certainly token value examination explicitly spell cost examination for 13 November 2023. Inside a truly we utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the spell token, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking explicitly. While spell's Williams % R pointer by and large is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange essentially signal for the most part is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, or so they generally thought. The spell United States dollar moving fundamentally normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker, sort of is showing a truly present moment in a real sense, sell especially signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath exceptionally signal line which for the most part implies explicitly bears truly are ruling on the lookout. Exhibiting that explicitly spell extremely token help and obstruction levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may generally track down help at these pivotal degrees of $0.00082290, $0.00074695. Moving underneath these levels could in every practical sense carry the cost to $0.00068490. Which fundamentally shows that these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending course for pretty momentary in an unobtrusive manner. On the very opposite side, the obstruction levels in every practical sense are at $0.009690 and $0.001, showing how yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the spell specialized examination, essentially let us in every way that really matters discuss the truly current economic situations, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. A bullish breakout from the above levels may in a real sense lead the cost to the $0.001, which sort of is genuinely critical.